Hi everyone, I'm Rob Watson. I'm the module leader and module tutor for Tech 1002, social media and technology. This is just a quick introduction to the workshop session for the first week, and just to give you an outline of the kind of things we're going to be covering and the kind of way that we're going to work in the session. I've done a presentation on PowerPoint, which I probably won't do most weeks. Done it for the first week, but I think there's kind of maybe more interesting ways for us to look at things rather than sitting in front of a screen looking at a boring PowerPoint presentation. In that way, what we tend to do, what I did last year, which worked really well, was we had a kind of social activity where for the first half hour we're doing something where we can get chatting together, we can interact. I'll give you a topic of conversation, and we work in a small group, so you've got a chance, rather than just sitting at a screen and staring at a screen, to kind of find out who else is on the course, who else is on the module, and the kind of interests and what kind of media you like and what kind of social media that you use, that kind of thing. What I will do, as with the lectures, I'll post online a set of notes. I'll do them as a PDF document which you can convert into a Word document, and this will have links, it'll have essential information. Some of it might repeat some of the information that's in the module handbook, but otherwise it's kind of the kind of best way to get information out to you quite quickly. And I'll try and post this up onto the module wiki in advance so that you can get a sense of what the session's going to be about. Remember, the address for the wiki is wiki.our.dmu.ac.uk. That's wiki.our.dmu.ac.uk. If you go to the wiki and you look in the menu for the modules, you'll be able to find or search for Tech 1002, and that should bring up all the information that's related to the module. There's a copy of the module handbook there, which I'll give you a physical copy anyway. And there's a breakdown, there's links to programs that you can watch and information that supports your learning. So what we'll do next week, the first week, is to first of all get to know each other. Secondly, to have a bit of a discussion about social media and the kind of way that we use social media, and we'll look at some work that students did last year that tells you what the kind of things we'll cover in the module. Rather than me telling you, there's some YouTube videos that we can watch about this. And then we'll look at things like the assessment and what the kind of coursework is. It's a 50-50 module, so there's coursework and an exam. So I'll give you a basic outline of what they are, but we'll go into more detail as we go through. The main priority, as with the lectures, the main mode of delivery is a kind of oral delivery mode. So we'll be talking a lot, and there'll be many things that we talk about and that we kind of think about and that we discuss which won't be written down. So bringing your notebooks is an absolute essential part of the module and part of your academic practice. A notebook and pen to write your questions down. But I'll go into this in more detail in the first workshop session. So yeah, get there. I mean, some of the sessions are a bit early, 9 o'clock for some of you. Some of them are later in the afternoon. We'll just have to see how we get on with that. I'll be in bright and early anyway, because I'm an early riser. But yeah, have a great time. If you want to hashtag and talk about and share anything to do with the module on Twitter or Instagram, then use the hashtag #1002. Tech 1002. TECH1002. Tech 1002. But I'll show you that next week. Have fun.